In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal Smart Buttons to Shopify Sense theme. If you've heard the term Smart Buttons, you might be thinking about PayPal's embeddable buttons. On Shopify, especially with the Sense theme, the recommended and most reliable approach is to use Shopify's built-in accelerated checkout, also called dynamic checkout buttons, which can display PayPal automatically. This gives you the same fast, PayPal-powered experience without adding custom code. Here's how to set it up the right way. First, make sure PayPal is enabled in your Shopify payment settings. In your Shopify admin, open Settings and go to Payments. Look for PayPal under Payment Methods or Express Checkout and enable it. Shopify may guide you to connect or activate your PayPal account. Once that's turned on, PayPal becomes an available option during checkout across your store. Next, we'll enable the dynamic checkout buttons in your Sense theme so the PayPal button can appear on product pages. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your active Sense theme. In the theme editor, navigate to a product page template under Products. Open the section that controls purchasing, often called Buy buttons or similar, and turn on the toggle for Show Accelerated Checkout buttons. This is what tells Shopify to display quick pay options like PayPal right on the product page, alongside the Add to Cart button. Click Save to apply your changes. On your storefront, those dynamic buttons will appear based on the shopper's device, location, and previous checkout behavior. That means some customers may see PayPal right away, while others may see different options. That's expected and part of how Shopify optimizes checkout. If you want to confirm PayPal is wired up correctly, preview a product page from your theme editor. On desktop, you can also test by adding this to the end of the product page. URL: Shopify debug true and show PayPal. This forces the PayPal button to display for testing without altering your theme code. This approach works because Shopify handles the entire payment flow natively, including PayPal, which makes it more stable and easier to maintain. You avoid code conflicts, theme updates are smoother, and your checkout remains compatible with Shopify's latest features. That's all you need. Enable PayPal in Settings, turn on Accelerated Checkout in your product page's Buy buttons, save, and test. With that, your Sense theme will surface PayPal as a dynamic checkout option, giving your customers a fast and familiar way to pay.